When someone passes away, settling their estate isn't just about following their wishes. It's also about determining who has the legal authority to handle everything. This is where the concept of priority for appointment as personal representative comes in, and it's not always as straightforward as people might think. In Massachusetts, the personal representative, what used to be called an executor, is the person who is legally responsible for handling the estate, paying debts, managing assets, and distributing property. But not just anyone can step in and take control. There's a legal order of priority, and skipping over someone with a higher priority can lead to serious disputes. If the decedent left a will, the person named as the personal representative in that will has first priority. That makes sense. It's the person that the decedent trusted to handle their affairs. But what if there is no will? That's where the Massachusetts Uniform Probate Code, MUPC, sets the rules. When someone dies intestate, meaning that they died without a will, the priority list kicks in. The first in line is the surviving spouse if they're also inheriting everything under intestate succession. If there is no spouse, or the spouse doesn't want to serve, the next in line are the heirs at law, usually children or other close relatives. But even that isn't always simple. Let's say there are multiple adult children. Who gets priority? The law gives equal priority to all heirs of the same class, meaning that multiple children could technically file. That's where things can get messy. If the heirs can't agree, the court may have to step in and decide. In some cases, an independent third party, like a creditor or a public administrator, could be appointed instead. It's not just family members who can petition. If the decedent owed debts to creditors, they can also petition for appointment 45 days after death. And if there's a legal dispute, the courts can appoint a special administrator to handle urgent matters while everything gets sorted out. So why does this all matter? If an estate has valuable assets, disputes over who gets to be personal representative can delay everything. Creditors might not get paid on time, real estate sales could be held up, and families can get stuck in a long and expensive legal battle. The best way to avoid this? If you're planning your estate, choose your personal representative wisely and put it in writing. If you're dealing with an estate now, make sure you understand priority rules and don't just assume that because you're a close relative, you automatically have the right to serve as personal representative. Have you ever seen a probate dispute over who should be in charge? Let me know in the comments. And if you need help navigating Massachusetts probate, let's talk. See you in the next video.